to do exponents in Google Docs. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without me delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs. Then at the top, click on Insert. In Insert, you'll find Symbols. Click on Symbols and then you'll find Equation. Click on Equation. Now type in the number, which is the bottom number. Now, this may be different in your device. It's according to the device. In my case, to add X component, I need to click on Shift 6, which will take cursor upwards and then simply type in the number. As you can see, it has been added. Now, there is another method as well. What you can do is simply add two numbers. Then select the second number. After you've selected the second number, click on Format at the top. Then click on Text. And in Text, click on Superscript. And it has been added. This is how to do exponents in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.